Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 16, Present Indefinite, Negative and Interrogative. We already know what is present indefinite and how to use present indefinite tense. In Unit 14, we studied the usage of present indefinite tense and learned only affirmative usage of present indefinite tense. Here you can see the structure, negative structure of present indefinite tense. You can see that the structure starts with subject plus do or does. Does only in case of third person singular. If you don't know about persons, you can visit Unit 12. Then not, which makes a sentence negative, and then first form of the verb and object. Remember that does is used only in case of third person singular. For example, he does not play cricket. That's you can see that he is a third person singular, and then I do not play cricket, I is first person singular. One more thing to remember is not to add s or es in case of third person singular with first form of verb in negative sentences. For example, he does not play cricket, so this is correct. You can see that we have not added s or es with play, but in correct form, he does not plays cricket. This is completely wrong, so just be careful about that, not to add s in negative sentences if you have third person singular as a subject. Now we look at interrogative structure. The usual rule of making a sentence interrogative in English is to place the helping verbs before the subject, and the sentence turns into a question. In present definite tense or present simple tense, the helping verbs are do or does. That is why you can see the structure starts with do, does. I hope you remember when to use do and when to use does. Do not add s or es with the first form of a verb if you have third person singular as your subject. So for example, do you go to school? And does she play cricket? So you can see that you is a second person, that's why we have used do, and she is a third person singular, that's why we have used does with it. So note the correct and incorrect thing. Correct is does he go to school? Here you can see that we have not added s or es. The incorrect form is does he goes to school. So you cannot say does he goes to school because you are already using does, so you are not allowed to add s or es with go with verb's first form. And that's all in this unit, because we have already understood the usage of present indefinite tense. We know how to use present indefinite tense. So today it was about just negative and interrogative structures of present indefinite tense.